Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at two Amazon programs. Number one is our Wholesale FBA program, and number two is our Passive FBA Profit Share program. So, if you want to find out more about any of these programs at the end of the video, do us a favor, hit the thumbs up, and head to the links in the description down below to find out more information. You can get complete free access to all of our training, all of our guidance, all of our product range completely for free. Link in the description down below. So enough of that, let's just dive straight in. So first of all, let's look at Wholesale FBA. So Wholesale FBA is essentially for those of you who have your own existing Amazon seller account. And if you do, we have a product range of more than 2,500 products that you can start selling on Amazon right away. So essentially what we do is we allow resellers, like drop shippers and FBA resellers, to resell our product range on marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy and Shopify. But today's video, we're just focusing purely on Amazon FBA. So what can you do with our product range? Well, if you head over to our website and you create an account with us, like I said, it's completely free to do that. You can get access to, first and foremost, our retailer app, which is this. You'll get access. This is what you'll see when you log in. And essentially, if you scroll down, you can actually get access to our FBA catalog and price list here. And you can pull up our full FBA price list. Now, if you just give it a moment for the load, just so I can show you what this looks like. This is our entire catalog for you. We have over 2,500 products. This is ordered by category, so you can see the categories of various products that we offer. We actually physically manufacture and produce all of these items, okay? Just so you know, so there's no third-party involvement whatsoever. We would actually ship and supply all of this product to Amazon directly for you. So going through our product catalog, for example, if we take a look at some of our products, you can just click the view products button and it will take you over to our website where you can actually physically view the products available on our website. And you can see these are both FBA eligible and dropship eligible, and the pricing is all, the unit cost is all in our catalog here, and we have suggested list prices, but you're free to set your own prices. And then we have the FBA profit calculations for you, and whether or not the product is eligible for just standard FBA or whether the product is eligible for low price FBA. Those of you who are already FBA sellers will already know exactly what I am on about. But here's the thing. What we also do for you as well is if I head back to where we were, if I just close this over here, right, back to here. So essentially how this works is that we give you access to our full catalog, and then you can go and list these products on Amazon. The majority of these products are already in the Amazon catalog right now, so it's very easy for you to create offers against those products in the catalog. And essentially all you do with your Amazon seller account is you create an Amazon shipment, FBA shipment, just like you would in a normal way. However, if you are fairly new to this and you were just about, you've been looking for a supplier to actually get into FBA in the beginning, well, we've actually written a complete guide for you so you can actually get started. So this is how you sell our products with FBA. This is how you create offers against our products on the Amazon marketplace. And this is the entire process that you follow for essentially for creating your FBA shipment. And then you just send us over the shipment information with our form at the bottom and submit your order. And essentially what we do then, we invoice you for that order. We produce all those items, we label them up, we prep them for FBA, and we ship that order directly to Amazon for you. So it's completely hands-off. You can manage it from literally anywhere in the world, and we pretty much just handle and take care of everything for you. And the only thing that you need to worry about is your inventory levels, and when you need more stock, you can just place a new order with us. But what we also do for you is we also give you access to a weekly, what we call a weekly FBA growth opportunities report. Okay, now you can see this report on this page here, and once you create an account with us on our website, you'll have access to this for yourself. But essentially this gives you the top 100 or so best selling products from our catalog right now, and you can actually pull these products up on Amazon like so. As you can see, you can pull up this laundry guide print, for example. It's got 20 reviews on Amazon with a 4.9 star rating. And what you guys can do is you can just create an offer against this product on Amazon in the normal way. So if you're familiar with how to actually do that, you would go into Amazon, you would take the ASIN from there, or you can just take the ASIN from the FBA Growth Opportunities report here. Now, this report is essentially updated every Thursday with new recommendations. You'll tend to see the same recommendations in there because some of our top selling products always kind of remain our top selling products, but you will see new entries sort of every now and then. But essentially, if you wanted to sell every single product, which by the way, we've had some people actually do this, is they take this FBA Growth Opportunities report every single week. You can click for a larger version. I'll do that now. And what you can actually do is you can actually download this product data here. You can download this CSV file, or you can just take this entire column, this child async column, for however many products that you want to add to Amazon, and you can just use Amazon's inventory loader file, which you can download from Amazon. Just go to add products, download inventory loader file, and just populate the asyn column, the product ID column, with this child asyn, and actually just create your offer against these products on Amazon. Now, we do have recommended list prices in our FBA catalog, which I just showed you earlier on, but you are completely free to set your own prices. And then once the products are actually listed on Amazon, you can then create FBA shipments against those products. That essentially is what Wholesale FBA is. It's no different than you finding a random supplier on Google, you buy in their products. The only difference is with us is that we do the entire FBA process for you. So we can, when you order our products to sell on FBA, we will actually label and prep the entire shipment, and we actually send that shipment directly to Amazon for you. Whereas when you work with most suppliers, they will actually just want to send that shipment directly to you, and then you've got to do all the label prepping. So that is what Wholesale FBA is. You need your own Amazon seller account. Add the products to your Amazon seller account from our existing catalog, and then just create FBA shipments in the normal way. And if you don't know how to create FBA shipments, head over to this page here, how to sell our products on Amazon with FBA, and just follow literally our step-by-step guide. And yeah, anyone can manage it. If you do get stuck, you can always reach out to me inside of our retailer app. If you scroll to the top, there's an option here to either book a call with myself. You can book a one-on-one call, and I'll be more than happy to help you get started. Or you can get access to myself via my Slack workspace, which again is completely free for you guys to join. I'll just show you that now. This is the link. Just continue with your Google account, Apple account, email, whatever, and you can sign up to our Slack workspace, and inside of there you can get direct access to myself and just ask me any questions that you might have. So moving on from that, we're going to look at passive FBA profit share, which is a unique program. You've probably never heard of this before, and you've probably never seen anyone else do anything like this before. But essentially with passive FBA is really built for those of you who are who don't want to deal with the complexity of having your own business. Essentially, you don't want to run your own Amazon seller account because that comes with a lot of headache and a lot of complexity. So, but you still want to be able to sort of make money online, right? So what we've developed is what we call a passive FBA profit share program. And the premise of it is this. So with this option, you don't need an Amazon seller account, and what you do is you just buy stock from us. You just buy inventory from us, and what we do, again, we label and prep that, but instead of sending that to Amazon to sell on your Amazon account, because you're not going to have one, with passive FBA, you don't need an Amazon seller account. What we do instead is we actually sell the product for you. So we do the selling for you. And all we do is that we pay you a profit share from every unit of product that sells on Amazon. So you pick the products to send to Amazon. Okay, you buy those products through our website. You just create an order through the website in the normal way. And then we will ship those products to Amazon. And then when those products sell, we pay you a profit share as those products sell through. Okay, this is what we call passive FBA. Now you can sign up for passive FBA after logging into the account. You can go to the passive FBA section here, and you can actually create a new FBA retailer account, and you can actually get access to our passive FBA app. And then essentially creating an order is basically a simple case of just building a shipment on our website. You can see this is essentially what a shipment looks like. So you would go to our product catalog or go to our FBA growth opportunities report, which I showed you earlier on in the video. And effectively what you would do is, if we pull this up in the larger version, if you look at the FBA growth opportunities report, you can actually see we have an FBA availability column. So you can see all of these are already enrolled into FBA. So what you're looking for are the opportunities which are available currently for passive FBA profit share, which is, if that's a program you're interested in, that's what you'll be doing. And you can choose to enroll this product right now by clicking the enroll button and then just matching that up with the product that you want to go with. Obviously, this is available in 2 different variants. Click view on that product. You can see it's FBA eligible. Select the size and the quality type that you want to add, and just add that to your order to build your FBA shipment with us. And it is literally as simple as that, creating a shipment. Once you place your order with us, we will then manufacture those items. We actually enroll these items into FBA, because with passive FBA, what you're actually doing, you're investing in products which we do not have yet in Amazon fulfillment centers. So you're investing in products which are not yet enrolled in FBA. Okay, so this is what passive FBA is. This is why we have you guys come in, invest in the product range. That helps us actually produce that product and get more products enrolled into FBA. So let me tell you a little bit more about passive FBA, just in case you are interested in learning a little bit more about it. But the links are down below in the description anyway. So if we head over to the passive FBA page, essentially what we do is we let Amazon let Amazon take care of all of the warehousing, all of the storing, all of the picking, packing and shipping orders directly to customers. And essentially we pay you a profit share for every single unit of product that we sell. Now, we have done a complete video on this, which you can get access to on the website as well. But essentially how it works is that we have a reasonably large catalog, right? 2,500 or so products. And if you look at the variation, there are more than something like 50,000 variants in total. Now, obviously, we can't go and enroll 50,000 variants into Amazon fulfillment centers, right? Because the amount of cost and the amount of work involved in doing that simply makes it impossible. But this is where our passive FBA profit share program actually comes into play, because what we have done is we've developed a program where outsiders, okay, so people who want to benefit from FBA but they don't want the complexity of running and operating their own Amazon seller account, you can actually act like investors, if you like, where you can enroll products, help us enroll products into FBA. And then what we do is we give you exclusivity over the SKUs that you pick. We produce that stock, send it to Amazon. As it sells through, we pay you a guaranteed profit share on every unit of product sold. Okay, so essentially 3 simple steps. Choose the products you want to enroll. You can use our weekly recommendations from our growth opportunities report. Like I said, this is updated every Thursday, so you'll get new reports every single week. Once you place your order, we'll ship those items to Amazon. Okay, so we'll be selling these items on our own Amazon seller account. As the items sell, Amazon will ship the products directly to the customer. That's what FBA is. And we essentially just share the profits of those sales with you. Now, if you head over to our FBA catalog and price list, some of you earlier on in the video may have noticed an FBA payout passive column, right? So for example, if we look at some of these products here, like say our A4 normal wall print. So if we view these products, you can see some of these products are already enrolled in FBA, but these are FBA eligible, means that these are products that you can enroll into FBA. Let's say we look at this and we look at the A4 normal variant of, for example, this particular print. So this particular print here, okay, so this particular print is available for enrollment into FBA right now because it is not yet an FBA enrolled product. So you can enroll this, you can add this to your order, and you can create a shipment for this product. Now, once you do that and it goes into Amazon, as it sells through, we pay you £5.35 every time that product sells on Amazon. Okay, that is the guaranteed profit, the payout amount that we pay you. Now, the profit on that is £1.04. Now, how we calculate that? Very easy. 24% ROI, return on investment. The difference is essentially the payout minus the unit cost. As simple as that. Okay, so this unit cost here, that's what you would pay per unit to enroll that product into FBA. You can decide on the quantity of product that you wish to enroll. When you're making new enrollments, by the way, there is a minimum, essentially a minimum quantity of 6 units to enroll. So you would pay $4.28 per unit to enroll that product. Every time it sells, we pay you $5.32. So you make a guaranteed £1.04, which is a 24% ROI. Now, if you compare that to, typical ROIs that you would get as an Amazon seller yourself, you can actually see we've actually got the calculation in the price list for you. So if we look at the 2 columns here, we look at FBA profit share passive, £1.04. And if we look at FBA profit wholesale for the same product, £1.45. So literally the difference between selling this product on Amazon at the list price is £1.45 profit with your own Amazon seller account and all the complexity that comes with that, or you can make £1.04 profit per unit sold through a passive FBA program. Okay, so this is why this program is so beneficial to those of you who want just a completely passive way of making money. It is incredibly passive. The only thing that you need to do with this program is just choose the products which you want to enroll into FBA. Use our recommendations. We give you the top 100 or so recommendations every single week. Make selections off that list. Enroll those products to grow your sales over time. So every week you can enroll new products. And all you need to do is using our FBA retailer app is essentially just manage your stock. Okay, so as your stock runs low, just add new stock. You can top up inventory directly within the app. And yeah, just enroll new products to grow your account. It's a super simple program. It's really slick, works really well, and it provides a guaranteed return on your money. So guys, there you are. Look, I'm going to leave this video wrapped up now. Those are the 2 ways in which you can very easily get started today making money with Amazon using Amazon FBA. We offer 2 programs for you to do that right now. We have the product range, we have the know-how. I can give you all of the guidance. Just reach out to me directly. I've given you the links. Head over to the website, create an account for free so you can get access to everything I'm showing you right now. And if you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in making money online. I make loads of great content to help you guys make money online. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video.